In this video, we're gonna focus about the graph of an equation. In the two variable, which is the example x, negative y, where two variables have x and y, which we can find the numbers that substituting the value of x and to find the value of y, and the result is satisfy the equation. So we have to solve here when x is equal to 0, and when we find numbers, it is alphabetical order. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this one, let's say when x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we can solve for y. So we'll substitute the value of x here, which is 0, and then negative y is equal to 4. So 4 minus 0 is 4. And then to find the value of y, which is negative, we can multiply both sides by negative 1 so that it becomes positive y. So the answer is negative 4. And then we next is solving in the second number. So we have the value of x here is 1, and then negative y. Remember that negative y is not the solution. So to find the positive y, we can multiply both sides by negative 1 so that it becomes positive. So y is equal to 3. When the value of x is 1, so the value of y is negative 3. And then let's have another numbers, which is the value of x is 2. Here we substitute, and then negative 5, 4 minus 2. Remember that when you transpose 2 on the other side, it becomes negative 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. And then y is equal to negative 2. And then next is 3. So we substitute the value of x here, which is 3. So to find the value of y, so we have 4 minus 3 here is equal to 1. And so negative, it multiply negative 1. So it becomes positive y is equal to negative 1. So the value of x here when x is 3, and the value of y is negative 1. So let's go to the value of x here is 4. Minus y is equal to 4, and negative y is equal to 4 minus 4. Negative y is equal to 0. So when negative 1 times 0 is equal to 0, therefore our value of y is 0. And let's see when we graph here, we draw a graph here. Remember the Cartesian coordinate system. So we have here and then let's see until 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4, and then the other side 1, 2, 3, 4, and here also 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we can draw a dot here in the value of 6 here. The coordinate is 0 and negative 4. So we count down here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have here. This one is negative 1, then x. Remember that this is negative x, and here is y. I already discussed about the Cartesian coordinate, which is in the graph, how to plot the points here. So we have here 0 and negative 4 plot here, and then next is 1 and negative 3. So we have in this area point a dot here, and then 2 and negative 2 here. and the other side is 3 and -1 and 4 here. So if we connect to each other, it becomes a line segment. So this is the result of the equation, the graph of an equation. It is a straight line. So